Hi guys. So we are playing Breaking Story Part 1. We are is the kid. We're gonna do in 1, 2, 3. Let's go in the truck. And we're gonna finish this. So this is my first uploading. My name is SSS. We're playing this. Let's go. So guys, this is break in part 1, and breaking breaking 2, Cracky Cracky made it, the owner of 99 nights. Guys, the owner of 99 nights. If you want to just add me, guys. My name is Luke. JJ lang Pogi 6. We are in. We are at the house. Hello? This is our brand new home. We have a kitten. It's a pat kitten. Oh, an apple. I think we need money to buy in the market. What do we have here? We have an apple, guys. Do you think Lay's is better? Do you think Lay's or Doritos is better? Can you comment? But I'm gonna eat this. Eat this. Gonna eat my apple. Oh my god, I eat them. I'm gonna sleep to get energy. Oh, I cannot sleep. But why? We're gonna we need some fruit or food. Let's go in the kitchen. What is this? Microwave. Let's go and buy a grocery store. Oh my god, jailbreak! 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 Too important. Whoa! Basement! That's $10. Let's see if we can go. Oh, we can go in the basement. No, we cannot go to the basement. Let's buy something. Where's the grocery store? Block market. Oh nah. What is this? I'm gonna take a seat. Meow meow, we get the apple. I'm gonna sit with my friend. Friend. You sit here. You sit here. You sit here. I'm gonna sit here, guys. We're gonna. We have lanes. Look at that. I need guys. Is that scary? We're gonna fight him. What's he doing? Hmm. Oh, pizza delivery. The pizza delivery man, guys. We're gonna eat pizza. We're gonna sit. Pizza. I got a pizza. Yummy. I eat my pizza. Yum yum. No, the cat is going to the microwave. Oh guys. Oh no! What is happening? What is happening guys? What happened to the light? What happened to the light guys? Television is running. What? I don't know man. I don't know what happened to the light. Ooh. I don't know what happened to the light man. I don't know what happened to the light. Television in 3, 2, 1, go. What happened guys? Let's see what happened. What like, oh no! The villains, they have guns. Oh my god. We need to start Roblox game. Don't destroy grow down or break in. That's scary, Larry. Bro, that is scary, scary, Larry. There, there, Larry, scary, Larry. We're gonna defeat it. Oh, dot. I think we're not gonna defeat it. We're gonna bedtime. Let's go to sleep. A bit keeps energy. Let's sleep, guys. Mm, yeah, asleep. Open the door. What the heck is happening here? What the frick? What the frick, man? What the hell is happening here? What the hell? What the frick? What is happening? Is that the minion? Stop. Stop. Kill him. Kill him. I think I got no left. I got no place to keep. I I finished my leave. It's another morning. It's another good day. The blue is attack. Oh my god. What is this? Let's go outside. They are coming for us. We need to get wood to the every broken windows. We need to board up the window. And these. Need more. Need more guys. You hear that? This window. I think it's clear. No, it's not. It's clear. But need to reinforce them. Let's see them. We need to look at the window. We need to block all of the windows. What the heck? Okay. Let's go downstairs and look all of the window. We're a great job. I think I'm gonna sit here. L 999. Where are you? L 999. Why we're in oh, but it's something. We're gonna do the thing the wheel. I'm gonna sit here. We're gonna do this thing the wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna sit here. This is the lock. I'm gonna sit here. This is the lock show. Yay! I got the pizza! I got good luck. Oh no! What happened? Where's what that light is coming? Let me see. Oh no! They're outside! They are here! We need to lock this room now. Let's see. They're not gonna climb up here, right? Oh my god! There are more! There are more! Stop! Stop him, guys! Oh, oh, my window! Really? Wow! But protect everyone. We need some wood. We will all of the window. I found a broken window, guys. The basement door is. Let's see, guys. Um, let's think. I think a bad guy is still down there. They sound huge. They sound huge. Maybe. Scary Larry? I die. Oh, I die. Scary Larry is too strong. So we did not. So guys, we don't success. Sorry if we don't success. Sorry if we don't success because I don't kill Scary. This is the end of the video. Bye guys. See you later.